The power of a wise word. Words have an incredible ability to shape our lives. They can inspire, comfort, and guide us through the ups and downs of life's journey. Proverbs 15 verse 5, one of the many pearls of wisdom found in the Bible, delves into the power of a wise word and its profound impact on our existence. Through this article, we will explore the significance of Proverbs 15 verse 5 and how a wise word can shape our destiny. Proverbs 15 verse 5, exploring the impact of wise words in our lives. Proverbs 15 verse 5 states, "A fool despises his father's instruction, but whoever heeds reproof is prudent." This verse reminds us of the importance of listening to wise counsel and accepting correction in our lives. It highlights the difference between those who disregard advice and those who value it. By disregarding wise words, we risk hindering our growth and progress. However, by heeding reproof, we display wisdom and open ourselves up to personal development and success. In our modern world, it is easy to overlook the significance of wise words. With the constant influx of information and the rise of social media, we are bombarded with opinions and ideas. However, it is crucial to discern which words hold wisdom and which are merely noise. Proverbs 15 verse 5 encourages us to seek out wise counsel and embrace the power of constructive criticism. By filtering out the noise and embracing wise words, we can navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and purpose. Decoding the significance of Proverbs 15 verse 5, how a wise word can shape our destiny. Proverbs 15 verse 5 emphasizes the impact of a wise word on our destiny. The verse suggests that listening to wise counsel can lead to a life of prudence and success. When we value the advice of others, especially those who have experienced similar situations, we gain insights that can steer us away from potential pitfalls. By embracing wise words, we can make informed decisions, avoid repeating mistakes, and chart a path towards a brighter future. Moreover, Proverbs 15 verse 5 serves as a reminder of the importance of humility in accepting correction. No one is perfect, and there is always room for growth and improvement. By being open to feedback and willing to learn from others, we can overcome our shortcomings and become better versions of ourselves. Wise words have the power to expose our blind spots, challenge our assumptions, and help us evolve into more well-rounded individuals. Embrace the wisdom of Proverbs 15 verse 5. In a world filled with constant noise and opinions, the wisdom of Proverbs 15 verse 5 reminds us to seek out and value wise words. By doing so, we can tap into a source of guidance and growth that has the potential to shape our destiny. Embracing wise counsel and accepting correction with humility can lead us down a path of prudence, success, and personal development. Let us remember the power of a wise word and its ability to transform our lives for the better. Like and subscribe for more content or visit our channel. Thank you.